Welcome to the first video in our series on object-oriented programming concepts in Java. In this video, we will dive into abstraction, one of the core pillars of object-oriented programming principles. Let's start with a simple question. What is abstraction? To explain this, let's consider a real-life example, a car. When you drive a car, what do you actually need to know? You need to know how to start the car, how to accelerate, how to brake, how to stop the car. But do you need to know how the engine works internally? Or how the fuel injection system operates, or how the braking mechanism functions? No, this is exactly what abstraction is. Abstraction means hiding unnecessary details and showing only the essential features of an object or a concept. Abstraction allows us to focus on what an object does rather than how it does it. Now let's see how this applies in Java. In Java, abstraction can be achieved using abstract classes and interfaces. We use these tools to define the essential features while leaving the implementation details to subclasses or implementing classes. Let's implement the car example in code. Create an abstract class car and add an abstract method startEngine to it. This method is made abstract since each car type will have its own different way of starting engine and hence it should be implemented by subclasses. Also add a concrete method drive. This method should have an implementation since the way of driving every car is the same. Just print the message here. Now create an electric car, which is a type of car and will be a child class of car. In Java, you create a child class with extend keyword, followed by the parent class name. As soon as you extend car class, you are required to implement its abstract method. Print the message here. Now create a petrol car, which is another class that extends car class. Again, implement its abstract method. Print a message here. Create a main class with a main method that will create and use the objects of car classes. Create an object of electric car. Here, we are assigning the object of electric car to a car reference. This is called polymorphism, and we will learn about this in great detail in upcoming videos on object-oriented programming series on Java. Call it startEngine method concept, also called drive method on this object. Similarly, create an object of petrol car and assign it to car reference. Call startEngine method. Call drive method on this object as well. Run the program. If you see the output, same method called on different types of objects prints different messages or performs different functions. The calling object is only concerned with what the car does, starting the engine and driving, not how it does it. This is the power of abstraction. It simplifies code, makes it more modular, avoid code duplication, increase reusability, make our code more maintainable, and allows us to focus on high-level design without worrying about the low-level details. Hope the video was useful in clarifying the concept of abstraction. That is all for today. In our next video, we will explore another important OOPS concept.